In this video, I am going to give you the idea about why these carboxylic acids are more acidic as compared to the compound which contain the OH group like alcohol. Now here you can see that in carboxylic acid we have OH group, and in this particular oxygen and the hydrogen bond we have sigma bond. It means that two electrons are present in this bond. According to the Arrhenius theory, when compound is able to donate the proton towards the another species. Now here we can have the water molecule. When this lone pair of electron which is present on this oxygen, when it will form the bond with this hydrogen, it means that whatever the proton is present in acid, now that proton is donated towards the water molecule. So I will show the next structure of this hydronium ion like this. Now we can have the structure of hydronium ion. So we have original structure like this, and one more bond with this hydrogen. Let me write these electrons over here, and whatever electrons, lone pair of electron is present here, actually this involve in bonding with hydrogen. And now we have three bond on this oxygen. That's why we need to write down the positive charge on this oxygen. Such type of species is known as hydronium ion. Our main interest is with this carboxylic acid structure. Now you can see that whatever electrons are present between this oxygen and the hydrogen, this electron will come on this oxygen like this. It means that according to Lewis theory for acidity, when the compound is able to accept the lone pair of electron, now here oxygen is able to accept this lone pair of electron, and that's why this compound is acidic in nature. Now here also one more thing you can observe, that this proton is donated towards this water molecule. Now we have to compare why this carboxylic acid is more acidic as compared to alcohol. Now here I will write down the next structure. So let me write that structure R C double bond O, oxygen. Now here I will write the lone pair of electrons like this, and we have lone pair of electrons like this. Now whatever lone pair of electrons are present on this, in between this oxygen and the hydrogen, this lone pair of electron will come on this oxygen, and now we need to write down the negative charge on this oxygen. Now here in the next step, whatever lone pair of electron is present on oxygen, it will get delocalized, so it will get stabilized into the structure, and that can be shown with the help of the resonance structure. So this negative charge or the electrons will get donated towards this carbon, and in the next structure we need to write down the carbon oxygen double bond. It means that the valency of this carbon will become 5, and that is the against rule. So we need to break this bond between carbon and the oxygen, and whatever lone pair of electron, two electrons are present, so now it will go on this oxygen. So let me write the resonance structure R C bond with oxygen, and this carbon bond with oxygen. Now here let me write the lone pair of electron on this oxygen as it is. Here also we have lone pair of electron on this oxygen. Now whatever changes are here, so we must write the carbon oxygen double bond, and whatever lone pair is present in between this carbon and oxygen, it will go on this oxygen. So it means that we need to write down negative charge on this oxygen. So it means that whatever we have the lone pair of electron on this oxygen, it is stabilized through this resonance structure, and therefore the carboxylic acid is more acidic as compared to the alcohol.